हाय एवरीवन। सो आज मैं साइटोटॉक्सिक टी किलर सेल्स के मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शंस के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। ये यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज मेंस जूलॉजी पेपर 2 2025 में 15 नंबर का सवाल था। यहाँ मैं ये क्लियर कर दूं कि ये बस रियल टाइम आंसर के फॉर्म में मैं इसे आपको बताने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द साइटोटॉक्सिक टी सी सेल्स और CD8 प्लस टी lymphocytes are killer foot soldiers of cell mediated adaptive or acquired branch of immune system. The TC cells mature in the thymus and have astounding capacity of antigen specific expansion and differentiation in secondary lymphoid organ. The TC cells are vital in getting rid of cells infected with virus, bacteria, fungi, tumor cells, or foreign transplants. The TC cells possess greater degree of specificity and memory and are well orchestrated to kill cell presenting and processed foreign antigen via MSC class 1 while keeping the bystander tissues very safe. The steps in the mechanism of actions of TC cells are: Step 1. Recognition and activation. The naive CD8 plus TC cells get activated in lymph node or other secondary lymphoid organ on interactions with dendritic cells presenting antigens via MSC class 1. Step 2. Proliferation and differentiation. The antigen-specific proliferation and differentiation of TC cells occurs through autocrine and paracrine signals when cytokines like interleukin 2 secreted from dendritic cell, T helper cells or TC cells helps proliferation of TC cells into T effector cells and memory cells. Step 3. Effector response. The antigen primed CD8 plus TC cells circulates and migrate to the infected organs and tissues and serially kills the cell presenting processed endogenous antigens via MSC class 1 protein. The effector response, firstly, the TCR, the T cell receptor, and CD8 plus interacts with the nucleated MSC1 presenting antigen presenting cell, after which it induces apoptosis of the cell by any of the two routes. The first route is perforin granzyme route and the second route is Fas ligand Fas receptor route. Perforin granzyme route. The TC cells containing vesicles having perforin and granzymes is being released. The perforin creates pores in the target cells and the mitochondrial membrane of the target cell, and ultimately from which the granzymes enters and causes activation of caspase 3, which ultimately leads to the apoptosis of target cell. Secondary, the Fas ligand present on CTL or the TC cells binds with Fas receptors on target cells, causing recruitment and activation of FADD, Fas associated dead domain, which through multi-step downstream cascade of signaling causes activation of caspase 3 and ultimately apoptosis of the infected cells. Now, in conclusion, you can write the cytotoxic TC cells are vital part of adaptive or acquired immune system. These T lymphocytes are on constant surveillance and killing mode. Their deficiency in hereditary disease like DiGeorge syndrome or thymic aplasia leads to severe immunodeficiency. Thank you so much.